going to go through the granny square again today in this video. This is to show you like a mirror image of the way I crochet. So I'm a right-hander, but when you're sat opposite me, as I'm crocheting, it's easier for a left-hander to be able to mimic what I'm doing. So today I'm going to record it with the camera facing me, so that as I'm crocheting with my right hand, it'll be as if you are watching me crochet with my left hand. So I'm going to start with my slip knot. So I'm going to start with my 6 chain. So the reason we're using 6 chain on the granny square to start with is just so that that centre is big enough for you to be able to see where you need to put your hook. So I'm now going to slip stitch to make it into the circle, and then we're going to get started. So we need 3 chain, and then we're going to start making our trebles. If you're a right-hander watching this, it will probably look back to front to you. Move my yarn to the left-hand side. Okay, so I'm hoping that this will help you. Okay, so that's round 1. And what we're doing, we're turning it in between each round now. So I'm going to just turn that round. And now I'm going to slip stitch into this corner space. So I go in. And then I start again. So you start with your 3 chain. We only do half of the corner space on these single colour ones that we're turning in between each round as well. I do hope this makes perfect sense. There we go. Hope this isn't too fast. There we go. And we're back where we started, so now we're going to do the rest of that corner, which is the 3 trebles. And then the chains. I think I've just been doing 3 chains in this. And then we slip stitch. To join and then fasten off. Like that. Oh. There we go.